Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro USD for Monday. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, we have seen massive correction on the chart of DXY on Friday. We talked about the chart of DXY on detail in our previous videos, and we also talked about the symmetrical triangle pattern where we were expecting the market to give us a breakout. Okay, and in this chart we can see that during the last couple of hours on Friday, okay, though market showed a sign of breakout towards the upside, but there was a huge correction. And at last DXY closed at 111.87. There was a massive correction. There's a news in the market that Bank of Japan has intervened for the ongoing weakness on the Japanese yen, and they sold off US dollar. As a result, there was some profit booking or correction on the chart of DXY or US dollar. But still we can see that the structure of the market is still very much intact. Okay, we can see the trend line that we have drawn at the bottom of the chart is still very much relevant. The line at the top is still also very much relevant, and as long as DXY is trading above the 200 moving average, the red line, okay, we can consider the market to be in uptrend. In case after the market opening on Monday, if the selling continues, then there will be a kind of a trend reversal on the chart of DXY. But as long as DXY is maintaining or sustaining its position above 111 level or the 200 moving average, overall the DXY will be in uptrend. And in case the market recovers on Monday, then it will enter inside the symmetrical triangle again, and yes, the possibility of a breakout will come again by next week. Let's wait and watch. If DXY recovers on Monday, then there will be pressure on Euro USD, GBP USD, Gold USD, and in case the selling continues, then yes, we will see further recovery on gold, euro and pound. Let's wait and watch. The market opening will be very important for all these pairs. Okay, so now let's have a look at the chart of euro dollar. So our levels work perfectly, and yes, I have also received many emails where you have thanked me. I'm extremely overwhelmed, okay, that you all love me so much. Thanks a lot for all the love and support. Okay, now before I proceed, I would like to announce that yes, I am bringing the workshop again after 4 to 5 months. So those who are willing to learn, okay, and those who cannot afford all those costly classes, you can check out the link in the description, because after the 2 days workshop, I'll be providing support to you, so that you don't feel lost for 1 month, more than 1 month, okay, so that you can continue your trading journey. Okay, hopefully you all will love it, because we have got many success stories in the workshop group. If you are wondering about the Pro Trader program, then more or less Pro Trader program and workshop is same. Okay, you will get the equal benefits. Okay, I have already announced the dates here. You can see the dates are 28th and 29th of October. And if you really want to sign up, then you can sign up this month, because I don't know when I'll be conducting the next workshop again. And you can see the fees is the lowest in the whole world. Now let's have a look at the chart of euro dollar. Okay, so market just closed at the resistance. There was a massive correction on the chart of DXY, but still Euro USD respected the resistance that we talked in our previous video. The resistance level of 0.9850 to 0.9880. This is a resistance zone for the chart of Euro USD. As I said, the market opening will be very crucial. If DXY tries to recover, if DXY bounces from the 200 moving average on Monday, then we will see Euro USD going down, or Euro USD will be showing red candles, because DXY has almost closed at the support and euro dollar has almost closed at the resistance. So if DXY bounces, it will reverse from here. And in case, listen to me carefully, in case Euro USD, okay, in case Euro USD breaks this level here, okay, then do not take a buy position immediately. After all, you must understand one thing very well, that fundamental things are not very positive for GBP and euro. And as I have been discussing in my other videos, that for a trend reversal, okay, dollar has been in uptrend for many months. So for a trend reversal, we need an inverted V pattern. Okay, we need an inverted V pattern. So as a result, in case the Euro USD breaks also 0.9880, observe the market for at least 3 to 4 hours and just see how the market is doing. Because see, as a retail trader, you must protect your capital, you must protect your hard-earned money, and you need to save yourself from false breakouts. Okay, and to save yourself from false breakout, okay, observe the market. So after 3 to 4 hours, 4 to 5 hours, if you see the market is trading comfortably above 0.9880, and if you see that DXY is also going down, the correction on DXY is continuing, then only take a buy position here. Okay, buy position here, but buy position strictly for day traders, not for swing traders or positional traders, because for positional trading purpose, we do not have any confirmation about the trend reversal of euro dollar, and we do not have any news yet. Okay, so for day traders, you can consider taking a buy position if market sustains comfortably above 0.9880. Okay, and in case the market falls, and if market goes down, or if you see heavy reversal or selling on the chart of euro dollar on Monday, then your first support will be at 0.9755 to 0.9750. This will be your first support. And the second support is this particular zone here. Okay, the second support is 0.9725 to 0.9705. 9705, yes. So the first support is 0.9755 to 0.9750, and the second support is 0.9725 to 05. This is your second support on the market. So if market shows correction or selling on Monday, observe the market at the first support, because overall we can see that the chart of Euro USD is choppy. It's a sideways market. So yes, there is a possibility that market will take support, but in case the first support fails, if you see that market has come to 0.9750, but still there is a good amount of selling going on, then please avoid. After all, no level is permanent in the market. Okay, you must understand. Okay, so avoid the first level, then you observe the market at the second support. If market shows price rejection from below like this at the second support or any support, you can simply go for a buy position. So my theory is simple here. Observe DXY, okay, and take a and if Euro USD breaks it, you can take a buy position at the pullback, because that will be a much safer strategy. And secondly, if it reverses after the market open, you can take a sell position, but do not go for a big lot size, because trading during the first half of Monday is quite risky because of less volatility and less liquidity in the market. If DXY shows the correction and Euro USD also shows reversal, then you can do it. Okay, and on the other hand, this is our first support and this is our second support. You need to observe the market. If you see the market is trying to take support, market is forming bullish engulfing pattern, hammer pattern, then only take a buy position. Okay, and please follow proper risk management, because see, this is my analysis. I can be wrong as well. Okay, do not gamble with hard-earned money. Bye bye, take care, see ya.